Na Rympei U Hynñiewtrep paidbah Bri U Hynñiewtrep.
Ubak Ronnie viling do MLA jong ka Congress na Malim constituency ula Pynpaw Mynta Khasi ya kata ka jing namar ka jingjur ka jing Dheng kali ha por Shillong bolu kerpat yo deputy chief minister ubak preston tensong uba dai pek ro ya ka PWD roads khanang bon pek ya ki surok ki badon kam ban yai lengba ka te ka surok namar kala jur palat ka jing Dheng kali bar ula Pynpaw ro ba bon ki MLA shiteng naki ki dan yeng hapo nong thmai constituency Hynrei shiteng pat ki dan ki bawan nakathan Eastern West Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, but na East Khasi Hills ru, baroh na amlarem na than West Jeng Hills. Bolo Pynpaw ba ka jingjur ka jing Dheng kali, kala jur palat syaka than opor Shillong, bat ka dankam ban shina, yaki surok ki bakam he, khnang ban laj ban yaj da ka basuk, bat kan duna kata ka jing Dheng kali. Ula Pynpaw ru ba ka dan ka Iing jong chief minister sya opor Shillong. Hynrei Haduh Mynta ka surok pat ka bahe bat ka batik kena ban duna kata ka jing Dheng kali kam dan satia hakathan opor Shillong na kata ka daw ula kerpat deputy chief minister ubak preston tensong khnang bon pek khnang ye kani ka kam bat ru ban penyo ka surok hakathan melim khnang baka jingyai lenti jong baroh lang kan long ka basuk bolo Pynpaw ru badang step mene phrangap ulami khnai beje na melim ban wan sha assembly Hynrei namar ka jingjur palat ka jing Dheng kali bat kala kata IU Watla uda wan da ka kali escort ru Hynrei ha upoi Haduh 10 minute slam hapo assembly kata 10 beje 10 minute te ula Pynpaw ru ba kat yangi ru ka kata Haduh kata da perkhat lele ya ki paidbah ki bayat man lakasngi kan nu ka jing kan ni ka jing Dheng kali ha kan ni ka than ula kerpat ru ba yo deputy chief minister ubak preston tensong ban pek khnang ya kani ka kam khnang ban la ban chnai ki surok ban pensuk ya ki paidbah bat ya baroh lang
preston tensong to reply please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 66A. Yes, sir. B, sir, the status of DPR preparation is in progress and forest clearance is also awaiting. And C, sir, does not arise in view at A above.
Ronnie, your supplementary. So I'd like to thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister because he had given an assurance earlier in the House. And sir, may I request through you, sir, may I request the Deputy Chief Minister if he can follow up with the forest clearance. And then another thing, sir, to my honourable member from Nong Thmai, I said that half the cabinet lives in his constituency. So I'd like to inform you, the honourable Chief Minister has a house in my constituency, sir.
Oh my God.
And most of the members have to pass through Upper Shillong, sir, to reach, Shillong or wherever they want to go. So, sir, may I request the honourable Deputy Chief Minister, if that is the condition for, giving additional allotment through the supplementary demand, may I ask more be given, sir, to Upper Shillong because Honourable Chief Minister has a house there, sir, and most of the members from west, southwest, east, even from my good friend from Amlarem, sometimes comes through that road, sir. So, sir, I'm very thankful to the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister for this, and may I request him, sir, there are more proposals to have these arterial roads, so to ease the congestion, sir, so that we can, solve this problem together, to ease the congestion that is facing. Sir, I'd like to inform you, with the escort, took me 1 hour, sir, to reach the house. That's why I was about 10 minutes late. The traffic congestion is so much, sir, there. That is so difficult to commute. And, I was even shouted from the streets, you leave early, sir. If the house starts at 10, I leave at 9, then how? I think I cannot leave earlier than that also. So, sir, we are talking about the general public that is going through this nightmare, sir. It is a nightmare, sir. It is a nightmare. We take 3-4 hours to reach Shillong or any part of the city, sir. So may I request, I'll be giving proposal and I would request the Deputy Chief Minister to consider those also, sir, so that we have more arterial roads, so that if there is traffic jam, we can utilize those roads, sir. Thank you. I'd like to thank the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister for this, sir. Thank you. The hour is over.